All right, finally, after ever, I'm taking apart, at least taking the heads off today. Try to see what that noise is, see if we can't get this thing running again. Won't be for a little bit because something's probably definitely broken, but we can at least look at it and see. So I will, I don't know, I guess start with the left side and let you guys know what I find. That in here. What else do we got? One back there. This one. I already loosened that one. Oh, fuck, I should have. Oh, Jesus. I did it. Unplug that bitch. Come on, baby. There we go. There's one of them. Oh, wow. Maybe do the maneuver. There we go. Oh, shit. All right. Cool. There we go. You know, maybe these could use a. Maybe we could buy a new one of those. Yeah, we're gonna need something small. Try a 1/4 inch. Holy shit, I'm so good. Let's go, baby. Oh shit. Come on. That's gone forever. This car's never getting fixed. Are you shitting me? Oh, fuck. I'll put you boys back on when we, find it. Oh, shit. All right. Look what I found. After some elbow grease, digging under the goddamn car in a foot-deep puddle, finally got it. So now, we can, start again. This time, don't drop the goddamn thing. Come on, B. You don't need. Let me get this right. Guess now. Okay. Damn it. See again. Okay, maybe move. That bitch right here. Okay. All right, cool. So let's see. It doesn't look. Everything looks okay over here. I mean, shit. Push rods, they're all. I mean, none of them are. So that must mean whatever maybe happened on the other side. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Here, pop that back in. There we go. Well, I guess it's time to take the other one off. I mean, it has hard rods. Doesn't look like anything's bent. No valve springs are broken, so let's start tearing apart the other side. This thing could also maybe use a clean. I don't know. What did I use? Was it this? I think it was a 5/16, right? Oh yeah, bingo. See if you guys can see this. So now we are got the fuel lines out of the way, got the coil packs out of the way, everything unplugged, and it's ready to come out. There we go. Yeah. Loosen that, baby. Almost. There we go. Break that. Come on. Cool. It does. This is the other side. Huh. So, there's the other valve cover. And by the looks of it, it does not look like... Oh, let me set this over here. It doesn't look like, you know, any of these are... Oh, that one's a little loose, quite loose actually. Oh, I don't know if yeah, I don't know if that's supposed to do that, you know? Huh. What the fuck? Little interruption. There's pterodactyls on my roof. What the fuck? This fucking... Dude, I mean, you guys can't see that very well, but why the hell is there peacocks on the roof? Anyways, back to car video. Come on. So after further inspection, this one, oh, no, get out of here. This one right here has been causing the problems. That could definitely be the sort of ticking noise that it was making after I did that fat fucking burnout, baby. I'll put that on the screen right now. Yeah. Hold on a little bit. The burnout, the last burnout this thing's done in months. And hope you guys enjoyed. We diagnosed the problem. Should be a video soon showing you guys maybe fixing it. I mean, it's not really a fix, you just tighten the thing down, but put some oil back in this thing and start it up and continue to do more stupid shit till it breaks again. what happened to the Trans Am. It was a loose rocker on the right side valve train. It like the fourth one back. All it took was to, you know, recenter it, torque it down to 22 foot-pounds, and then we got it all back up and bolted together, and it seems to be running fine now. What's coming up for this? I'm gonna get a tune. I'm gonna get maybe thinking just a flash tune for now, because I might do intake manifold, throttle body. I already got the lid on there, but just, you know, little stuff like that. I don't really want to go dyno tune it, spend $700-800, and then come back, change the intake manifold, throttle body, have it run a little bit weird, throw a coat or whatever, and after that, for the wheels, might just get some 5-spoke weld racing sort of wheels from either, you know, Jegs has a couple cool ones, Raystar has some cool ones I was looking at, and after that, you know, two 95, 285 tires, just so I can get some traction in first or second or whatever. After that, that's about it. We're also doing a $50 Amazon gift card giveaway. You have to be subscribed, bell notifications on, and then comment down below maybe why you deserve the $50. What would you spend it on? Maybe anything you want. Just comment it down there. We'll pick a random winner and let you know how to get the money. Send you the code. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let us know what you guys want to see next, and we'll definitely keep the Trans Am posted on the page.